Botata ke papa.
Everything kang mama.
Ay ke bona ka ola le botata then.
Oh, nna ke bona nkare uno ba tlo addressa bothata ba ka.
O go bile wa chaka expensive. Wena.
It's like some kusawubaze pela everything nna ke a roba
O go bile wa chaka expensive. Where is it Daniel Wellington ke buka wena ba fana.
Ba pela go sa hlolela pela. A go rata.
A go le zuba ba ta. Matazu. Matazu wele na mataka.
Yo bya se
Pula yala o ntsamisa mo dipuleng o le motho a ntate o le motho a monna o ntsamisa go dipuleng ka di-plastic tsa go checkers.
Then at that point I was trying to come out of the closet on time.
Come out of the closet?
Are
you gay?
So yeah, I'm feminine. So next time I take my hair.
Today? Today you were feeling feminine?
Obviously. I'm coming out of the closet now.
Okay, kiss me then.
No. I'm gay.
Your face.
I'm gay.
Okay, I understand.
I don't do girls.
You don't do girls? You like lesbian girls, no? You like the lesbians?
Like, not the...
You like the studs, I saw.
Ah, no.
I saw you. That did not look like work. That looked like you were shellering Mzansi.
No.
Hello.
No.
Hi, Toko.
It's a hot
Toko. So you said you're not gonna kiss me because you're gay now? I'm straight.
You lie.
I swear.
You swear on
I
whose
swear.
life? On whose life? On whose life?
Come, kiss me, you'll see.
I don't want to kiss.
Why don't you want to kiss me?
Yeah. Because I don't want to. Firstly, I do not want to.
Why?
I just don't want to.
Because you're gay.
Exactly.
Yeah. I see, I get it. I can be gay for you.
You can be gay for me.
I can transition and be a man.
Nah, that's alright. You don't have to, man.
I don't have to?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm okay.
You sure? You only get one opportunity for this moment. Like, it's not gonna come again.
Yeah, that's the question.
What does that mean?
It just means God is good. It's great.
So you're saying I'm unattractive?
No, I didn't say that. You said that. I didn't say that. And I didn't say that.
Hi, Michaela. I don't understand. Why won't you kiss me? You said why? You won't kiss me because why? Like, I'm not saying you should kiss me, but I just want to know why is the reason why you said you're not going to kiss me?
Okay, so being honest, I just don't want to.
You don't want to?
I just don't want to.
But why? I'm so offended. Are you saying like I'm unattractive?
No, you are attractive, but
is it because like why? Okay, but we're not friends.
That is the most brutal way to tell me that we're not friends.
You thought we're friends?
Damn. The whole time.
You thought you were my friend?
Nah.
Yo, bro. I'm sorry. This is not the way you should be finding out.
Not like this, nah.
No.
No. Yeah, until so I clearly we're not. But
so then kiss me.
No, I'm okay. Don't kiss strangers.
You don't kiss. We're not strangers.
I'm not your friend. What am I to you?
You're just a person that exists in the universe.
Nah, I don't kiss people that exist in other universes.
We exist in the same universe.
Nah, you're like, I just don't. But hey, man, that's kind of sad that you just bluntly told me the truth while you me out.
We're not friends. Did you think we're friends? If you were my friend, I feel like you would have walked with me to the mall in the rain.
Okay, yeah.
Worse, you even are mobile. You could have taken me to the mall because you know I have needs. You know that I need to buy food, and you're my friend, and you have a car. You were gonna take me to the mall. You made me walk to the mall alone.
So which one is it? So I'm your friend? Or
No, we're not friends. We're not friends. Clearly, we're not friends. You showed me today that we're not friends.
So after today only, we are not friends.
Even before, clearly you were pretending.
So it's not you now.
Nah, bruh. You're just like a person I happen to know who is crowding my space and is annoying me right now. FYI.
Nah.
And who also broke my watch.
Nah.
Yeah.
That's because
no, I didn't say that. I didn't say go.
Oh no, I don't see the need so that's my cue.
Bruno, come back here.
Ow,
Come back here.
I'm just a person in the universe.
So then you're not gonna go out with me when I go outside? That's fine. Are you trying to guilt trip me or are you trying to make me feel bad? I don't feel bad.
Yeah, I know
You didn't think I was your friend earlier on, so I have no business thinking you're my friend right now.
Could have, should have, didn't.
Yeah, I guess. Bruno, come back here. Come here with your little childish girly laugh. Come back here. Come back, I can't hear you, miss. You sound fine. I'm not. I'm not. You don't have to, you just want to.
It's fun.
Yeah.
No, I have to.
Kupanga You're lying, bruh.
Hey man, like I don't have physical cash. I don't.
Yeah, there's money in the car.
Nah.
I know there's money in the car.
Boy.
It's fine, I'll go. I'll go.
Boy, we change 200 for ice.
You can give me 10 rand.
Why would I do that?
I would give you a 10 rand if you asked me for a 10 rand. Because I think highly of you. Clearly, dog. You know what? Actually, it's fine. You can go. It's good. I think I'm good. This has been fruitful. Thank you. I needed this. I needed this conversation. There's a lot of things that I clearly needed to. Why would he say that? Nah, bro, I ain't finna talk to you, bro.
Alright, fine.
Aware, bro. Why would you call yourself Little Santesh? That is so weird. Hi, Amber. Hi, guys. Hello. Hello, Hannah. What's up, no here? I say, man, did you make what mag? Yeah, Tamaya. Yeah, Hamba. Munani. I hope bless up. Example. Excuse me, what are you guys up to? Example. Please gift me, guys. I don't have parents. I don't have what? Hello. Hi. Hi, that is such a cute way to greet me. Thanks, Pedro. I look so cute today. I've looked so cute this week, actually. Come to think of it, I've just been a cutie patootie this whole week. I wish I had a girlfriend. I wish I had a girlfriend so I can send her like snaps every day. Like, baby, look at my outfit. Baby, look at my outfit. Like, you look so beautiful, Nana. Then I'd appreciate it. Like, thanks, baby. Good night. Bye. Are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? Don't sleep. It's so early. Don't sleep. Nah? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What are the requirements to be my girlfriend? I love that you asked that. So these are the requirements to be my girlfriend. You must have a job. Ish, I didn't realize that that's a thing, but like apparently that's a thing, and I think I agree with that sentiment. You must have a job. You must be working. Because I I like things. I like things. I love flowers. I love going out. I love experiences. I love trying out new things. So I need to be able to be with somebody who you know, and you must also be busy. You must have a job mainly so that you can be busy, because I'm a very busy person. I get busy, so I can't be with somebody who doesn't understand the concept of being busy. Right. You must have a good sense of humor. You must have a good sense of humor. I want to laugh. I want to be happy when I'm with my partner. Like somebody who's going to make me happy, right? And I'm going to be able to make them happy in turn. Like we can feed off each other's energies and like be good to each other in terms of like how far we're meeting each other. And you must what else must you do? You must be a very considerate person, and you must be a very considerate person. You must be thoughtful. You must be like ukwazi ukucabangela abanye abantu, right? And not just specifically me, just in general. You must just be somebody who is able to, to be considerate of other people's feelings. And you must definitely absolutely be beautiful. Oh, one thing about me, the heel. Give it to me. Yeah, so you must be beautiful. I don't know. I don't think this matters, but I attract amantombazana amahle amekahle. And I think like that's a lovely thing because you're able to, you understand, have a nice bum. Have a nice bum. My first time seeing you be live. That is so weird. I think I'm live quite often of late. So it's a bit alarming that you say it's the first time you see me. Yeah, but basically, yeah. What else? What else? What else do I look for in a partner? Angifuna umuntu on a gold tooth. I think I don't want a person who's TikTok famous. Actually, I don't want to be in another TikTok relationship. Nje, ngifuna umuntu ozithulele, alright, like definitely must be older than me. Ube right, uziphathe kahle nje. I think I'm looking for someone that's mysterious. So definitely umuntu wami akekho kule live because if mysterious umuntu wami kaloku she wouldn't be on a live right now. I wish I could meet umuntu wami or my person like estradeni nizihlalele nje. Yabo. Like maybe like I'm sitting at like I don't really sit at Starbucks, but I'm just gonna say Starbucks for the sake of Umzagele. Starbucks and then feeling it's oh my goodness, you're so beautiful and you have such a beautiful smile. And then I just blush. Thank you. But may I? Yeah, of course. And then by the end of it, I'd like to get to know you. Is it okay if I get your number? And I'm just like, yes, darling, yes, baby, it's okay. Pela nake catch a fast, like within the first 10 minutes, catch it. 10 minutes is long. 10 minutes is long. Fulwani, yo. Fulwani haana profile, haana picture, haana nixie, and yeah. Kick up a little mutaka. And then yeah, it na ke catch fast shem. Guys, ke re nka le qoqela story mara I ke safe because ha ke safe tlo ke bona. Ha ke safe these days. Oh, this person might not be here, but what if they're in the window? Guys, ha ke safe ke re nka qoqela ditori tse dingata gampe. These days I can say I'm in danger. My life is in danger. Hi, Tepiso. How are you? Do you know that I'm gonna spend time with you again, little baby? Upright weekend. I'm gonna be seeing you guys. I'm so excited. You're so cool. I think you're cool peoples. And I love your girlfriend. Your girlfriend's funny and she's smart. Anyway, yeah, so ke ituletse fela go like Starbucks mara tla ke tsa go Starbucks a ke rate coffee bana le tee go Starbucks ke ve ke go Starbucks ke nne tee motho wa ka a ba tlhaga so o be mysterious go a be mysterious a ke batle ba bari TikTok what next thing go shootana go TikTok o se go shoota di challenge a ke batla motho a ke qala ke ntsha camera ke re baby a re shoot a re baby asithande lezi zinto zakho abana ba jwale ba sa yetsing ba sa phapheng into that TikTok settle it down. They're the love of my life. Hopefully I can catch her fast. Shame 2 minutes is too long. 2 minutes is long. Sa ga sa la busy go Starbucks and to be this are answer mole hi, may I sit with you or whatever. I can see varing bayan. I can see lo shela ke so yo guys. I need to learn how to shela. Gona le ngwana ke batlang go mo shela bathong. Yo, gona le ngwana ke batlang go mo shela and I get to go shela. I get to go blela like ngwanyana like hampone guys le batla mpela go ngwanyana wa hampone come on there's no way yo I should hampone guys thank you yo ke kopa le invite kilo na tie ko Starbucks tlele the love of my life I must start going out more this weekend kotswa ke dule ko dindawong tse bo mama nka se dule ke batle dindawo tsa batho ba di TikTok man ke dula ko coffee table go coffee coffee ba ibitsang o mo rekisang coffee teng ke ko cafe ke dule ko cafe ke dule mo maybe motho a go tla fitlha mo a vela nthole yo a tsebe ko pelong ya ka gore ke na le nako e telele jwang ke mo emetse e sa le ke mo emela ke a dlala ke tshaba banyana I'm joking mina ke funa ne ke sa mantombazane mina ke right ntombazane labantu bakhohlakele nkosi yami amantombazane akhohlakele I don't trust women with my heart women so ke sharp ke le single ke happy ke content I'm very happy I'm joking I'm not happy sometimes ke na lo feel like are ke tlhoka ngwanyana ke tlhoka motho wa mosadi then I remember heartbreak yaka ya my last heartbreak. When was my last heartbreak? 2020. When was it? 2023. Ke vele ke ai ke shabuka malana. Ai shabuka malana. Ke vele ke reflect. Ke ne no feel I wish I could find someone who's gonna what. A fitla ngwana atle so okay, let me try. That's what the past 2 years of my life have just been me scared of getting into relationships because heartbreak. Yo, so ke shapuka bayana guys. Ke shapuka bayana living safety out there. Nah, otherwise yeah, I guess sharp man. Hey, I guess Manandi. Munandi bafethu and stuff. Amantombazane bazophula inhliziyo. Kitaba ujola guys shem. I feel like I have baby za. Kidi the commitment issues. Yeah, the trust issues. I can tell you my dad. I don't trust women, especially with my heart. Yeah, kampaka. Kile single. Hi, beautiful. Hey, scampis are beautiful. Get a shy. Get lala. Oh, I almost said who's texting me. I'm texting myself. Are you always this sweet or is it your way to impress me? I have no intentions of impressing you. Trust me. Believe you me, I have no intentions of impressing you. I have no impressions of impressing anyone. And I have a feeling you're a guy, even worse. Has those things that you say, they usually work on other girls on the line. I'm back. Did you miss me? Excuse me. They're gonna want to know what. Bruno, let's go, bruh. Hi, Chloe. How are you? How are you, beautiful? How are you, gorgeous? See? Beautiful people. How are you, Muse? Somebody, Prince, somebody, anybody, just not me. Yeah. This is so me as a girlfriend.
Sorry. No, you're fine. Can she get her burger well done? Well done. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. You're fine. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, this is so me as a girlfriend. I will return your food for you, baby. Your food is not done properly. Don't worry. I got you. Hello, waiter. Sacela ungisize la ngibandla. Oh, grand. Okay, sharp. Ube sharp. Askis ulo robala. Why can I spaces as ngata so mo shota tattoo? That means. Hey, who's Nyambos?
No, I'm coming back. That's not.
Fear of commitment.
Guys, kupalin fendi gift so I can have a side. The little things that matter. Guys, I'm so tired. I don't know why every time I can go live in Kivele ke khathale yo. This is so lame. This is so lame.
7. The average number of times a woman goes back to
I hate it so much when people say I'm adorable. I'm an old person. Like, I'm a grown up human being. Why are you saying I'm adorable? Like, how can you be adorable and like old? Lala, because clearly. I had so much energy when I started this life. I thought I was gonna say stuff, but Hangwani Maumela. Yes, sis. Guys, the cars that are coming out of here. Yo. Nice. Oh, nice. Is this a McLaren? Hey, batsali koloi ya ngwana. Yeah.
We had rifles. To all artists that used. Who the hell? Who the hell? Who the hell? She changes her mind. This is the first place she will go. Yo, Sana, I'm so not good with directions. I literally forgot where I parked. But now I remembered. But I came here to say that. Ladies, are you exhausted? And Nicki Minaj, I'm the one with. Is that dead? Ladies, are you? And Nicki Minaj, I'm the one with. Is that dead? Lord. Ayisingamanye umkhulumi bafana. Kodwa abontomazane efaka imbokothi. Abontomazane ethanda ukugqoka. Angazi khona lento ekhona laphaya. Azi vele ube ngathi lowo muntu ngavele ngimlobole manje nje ngihlanganise noma manje nje ngiyise ekhaya. Ayisingamanye. Hayi mama yini manje? Just come be the woman I need. Tell me you until I go in the way. Minister Becky Kelly, he told us he's got a lot of admiration, he's got high admiration for you. He said you're a very good cop. Yeah, well, it's good because they're not a politician. It's good because then the general will know that if there's a law broken, even if he breaks the law, I'll arrest him as well. That is my job. I don't have a responsibility in terms of. That's why I was surprised when I saw Mr. Ngabingo with t-shirts of political parties. Because I don't wear a t-shirt of a political parties. I even struggle to wear a t-shirt of a soccer club. Maybe Bafana will. I'm not that much involved. I know a lot of people within the political space, but it's not my space. And I don't dream of becoming a politician. There was invitation on some of the members that I should join. But I'll gladly decline because that's not me. I was never like that. I'm just a South African civil servant. That's what I'm doing. I think people sometimes confuse a police officer that might become famous as we do, a politician. You don't run a country by enforcing the law only. You run a country by looking at the variety of things, which I'm not an expert. I know policing, nothing else. I don't write legislation, I enforce it.
Guys, I think I love Umkwanazi. Oh, ave ngimthanda kozami. Ave ngimthanda Umkwanazi. What? What a man.
Do you think we have a national crisis at hand?
Yes, we do. We do. Why I say that is because
Sunburn.
we have a scanner in the port that takes about 3,000 containers into the country. We scan less than 10% of them. They coming.
God knows what in those containers are. Children have been trafficked. illicit goods are moving into those containers. We only have one scanner that sees what's inside when the truck travels on that road, on that entry. Do you think that that is intentional? Executive must help us.
Oh, I love him so much for what he's trying to do up here.
To say, how are we prioritizing? What is your plan to deal with drugs? What about this? What about that? And when you allocate your budget? Then we could be talking. Instead of when we are saying, why are you buying that property? Why are you using the finance to go and invest in that event? Why don't you buy this resource? You have a truck picking up goods in Cape Town.
I should stop doing these lives because I never pay attention. Yebo! That's my last name. Umudi Rampi o today. Nkase mkhoni. Udi moody. Umodi piroto. Umodi piroto. Nkase mkhoni. Umodi piroto. She's so moody.
It travels from Cape Town with a container until it reaches City Deep in Johannesburg. It passes 10 roadblocks on the road because there's a lock on the back of that container. It doesn't get searched. Nobody opens it. It leaves Cape Town.
Let me just end this live and watch Mukwanazi properly.
And we don't have means to do it.
Because
it doesn't cost a lot of money to buy these scanners, but there's no will to buy them. And nobody pays attention. You talk. Only now that the management of the police is starting a process of procuring it. But we've been talking about this thing for donkey years. It's only now we were starting to do that. When ATTF back in the days would block the freeway, we go and beg at the private sector to help us with a breakdown to remove the trucks on the road. We still do today because government doesn't have tow trucks to remove a truck on the road. That's how bad things we have. And you cannot say there's no budget for it. It's us who prioritize it wrong. And when we have to account, those are supposed to hold us account, I think with respect, a majority of them don't necessarily know the business we do. They are sitting as parliamentarians that must hold us accountable. If you don't understand the business of the department that you are managing, you take Mkwanazi, you say he must be a member of parliament and he must hold a department of minerals and energy accountable. I've got no clue what it takes to start a mine. So I want to hold people accountable about the safety and everything in the mine because I have no clue. So bring a member of parliament to be a member of the committee, portfolio committee of police, and he does not know anything about the police. So you won't hold the police accountable because he will ask the wrong questions, not the right questions.
Now, when you communicate to the president that we're
I need to go focus on what I'm doing here, no?
which I didn't sign up for. How do
you
you communicate that to the president? Because the
ngiyantanda
president would have ordinarily
la
asked for
ngikhona angikwazi
something in a written form.
ukunaka
What did
kahle
they say
nkosi
to you? Or, did you write to the president?
bese ubuthongo nkosi
How did
yami.
you communicate this to the president that there's something going on which is not up to what
And
we
time
are
is not
expected to do
moving. I
as
feel like
police?
time is not
It is
moving.
unfortunate
No.
that I did not write